Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use frame blending in Premiere Pro. First, locate your clip in the timeline that requires a speed adjustment. Right-click the clip and select Speed/Duration to open the dialog box. Adjust the speed percentage as needed, perhaps to 50% for slow motion. Then, ensure frame blending is checked within the same dialog box before clicking OK. This simple step will significantly enhance your video's visual flow. To apply frame blending, simply right-click on your desired clip in the timeline. From the context menu, navigate to Time Interpolation. Here, you'll find three options: frame sampling, frame blending, and optical flow. Select frame blending to enable the effect. This method is quick and effective for smoothing out motion, especially when you've altered a clip's speed. Frame blending is particularly useful for specific scenarios. If you're slowing down footage, it helps eliminate the jerky, choppy look that can occur when frames are simply duplicated. Similarly, for time-lapse videos, it creates a more fluid progression between individual frames. It's also beneficial when you're mixing footage shot at, say, 24 frames per second with 60 frames per second, ensuring a consistent visual experience. While frame blending is excellent, consider optical flow for even smoother, more intelligent motion interpolation, especially with significant speed changes. Remember to render your sequence after applying any blending effects to ensure real-time, smooth playback during editing. This helps you accurately preview the final result. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It's a resource that could truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.